ventilator technology, the two major technology which are there are the bellows and the piston, which is two major technology which is used in majority of the anesthesia machine. Bellows technology, fresh gas compensation, flow sensing is relative. It can be late in some machines, while in case of piston, fresh gas compensation, piston technology, it is absolute. So you can never use flush in inspiratory cycle in bellows, while flush can be used, but it can dilute your anesthetic agent. Only thing is it prevents volume trauma or barotrauma. Gas volume deficiency is in bellows technology, bellows will lose the height. So it is very easy to identify. It is very difficult not to notice it. So that's considered as an advantage by many authors that bellows technology, the bellows will fall down and everyone and anyone in the anesthesia room will notice that, okay, something is wrong and there is gas volume deficiency. While it could be missed if you shut down the alarm and if you don't notice the bag getting deflated, because ventilation is still given by the air. So requires more vigilance as tidal volume is sometimes delivered with the air. Pre-testing sometimes is not provided in many older bellows machine, but there is a dynamic compliance because there is inspiratory and expiratory sensing, and inspiratory expiratory sensing constantly sense the tidal volume delivery, and some amount of tidal volume delivery can be adjusted. In piston type of technology, pre-testing is must because the flow sensing does not have any mechanism to compensate for it. It cannot compensate. It will deliver the tidal volume and it will tell you that, okay, 300 ml is tidal volume is delivered, you have set 400. So it can give you an alarm. But without pre-testing, it cannot compensate for leak and compliance. Oxygen consumption, the bellows technology, one disadvantage would be that if you are using oxygen for dry gas, there is an extra oxygen consumption. While in case of piston technology, oxygen is consumed as per patient need only. In case of bellows technology, sensor position matters, and if you have a extra humidification and if your sensor is at patient end, it can have really problem. In piston, sensors are placed at expiratory end, does not have problems due to humidification, but require compensation for the technology for the heated agent. So it since if you are using heated agent, you have to make it on so that it understands that, okay, heating is heated gas is coming to the patient. Both technology provides all advanced ventilation modes with reasonable accuracy.